Hello students of class 5th. Today we will discuss chapter number 10, operations with decimal numbers, and in this video we will discuss other questions of exercise 10D, and in this video we will discuss question number 7 C part 83.325 divided by 275. 83.325 divided by 275, then you will write 0 point in the coefficient, then 275 3s are 825, 833 minus 825, it becomes 8, then bring down 2, then the number becomes 82. Write 0 in the coefficient and bring down 5. Then it becomes 825. 275 3s are 825. 825 minus 825, remainder will be 0. Quotient will be 0.303. Now question number 8 A part 6.12 divided by 5. 612 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Then bring down 1 and place decimal point after 1. It becomes 11. 5 twos are 10. 11 minus 10, 1. Then bring down 2. It becomes 12. 5 twos are 10. 12 minus 10, 2. Now you can assume 6.12 as 6.120. Then bring down 0 in the next step. It becomes 20. 5 fours are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Remainder 0. Quotient 1.224. Now B part 31.6 divided by 8. 31.6 divided by 8. 8 threes are 24. 31 minus 24, it becomes 7. Now place decimal point after 3. Then bring down 6. It becomes 76. 8 nines are 72. 76 minus 72, it becomes 4. Then please assume 31.6 as 31.60. So then bring down 0. It becomes 40. 8 fives are 40. Remainder 0. Quotient 3.95. Now question number 9. 0.262 divided by 25. 0.262 divided by 25, you can write it down as 0.0. Okay, so 2 minus 0, it becomes 2. Then bring down 6, it becomes 26. 25 ones are 25. 26 minus 25, it becomes 1. Then bring down 2. So 12 is less than 25. So place 0 in the coefficient. It becomes 120. 25 fours are 100. 120 minus 100, 20. Then bring down 0. 25 eights are 200. Remainder will be 0. Quotient will be 0.008. 01048. Now C part, 1.2544 divided by 125. 1.2544 divided by 125. Write it down, 0 point. Then place 0 after point and write it down, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then bring down 2, it becomes 12. Then place another 0 and then bring down 5. So 125 ones are 125. 125 minus 125, it becomes 0. Then bring down 4. Place 0. Then bring down another 4. Then write one more 0. So it becomes 440. 125 3s are 375. 440 minus 375, it becomes 650. 125 5s are 625. 650 minus 625, it becomes 250. 125 2s are 250. Reminder, 0. Quotient is 0.0100352. That will be your answer. Now in divide, question number 10, 80.1 divided by 9. You have to divide 801 by 9. 9 8s are 72. 80 minus 72, it becomes 8. Then bring down 1. 9 9s are 81. Place decimal point after 8. Then 81 minus 81 becomes 0. Reminder, 0. And quotient is 8.9. Now question number 12, 0.306 divided by 9. इसमें आपको क्या करना है कि 9 से 0.306 को डिवाइड करना है. तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करिए, 0.0 लगा दीजिए और फिर क्या करिए, 9 3s are 27. 30 minus 27, it becomes 3. Then place 6, it becomes 36. 9 4s are 36. 36 minus 36, it becomes 0. Reminder, 0. Quotient 0.034. Now question number 14, 1.26 divided by 28. 28 से 1.26 को डिवाइड करना है. कैसे करेंगे, 0 पॉइंट, तो सबसे पहले 0 लगा दीजिए. फिर उसके बाद नीचे 0 लिख दीजिए. 1 minus 0 1. Then bring down 2 in the next step. 12 is less than 28, so put 0 after decimal point and bring down 6. So number becomes 126. 28 4s are 112. 126 minus 112 becomes 14. Place 0 after 14, then it becomes 140, and 28 5s are 140. So remainder becomes 0. Quotient becomes 0.045. Last question of this exercise, 38.385 divided by 18. 38.385 divided by 18. 18 2s are 36. 38 minus 36 becomes 2. Then place decimal point after 2 and bring down 3. It becomes 23. 18 ones are 18. 23 minus 18, it becomes 5. Then bring down 8. 18 threes are 54. It becomes 58 minus 54 becomes 4. Then bring down 5. It becomes 45. 18 twos are 36. 45 minus 36 becomes 9. Then assume 38.385 as 38.3850. So now bring down 0 after 9, it becomes 90. 18 fives are 90. 90 minus 90, it becomes 0. Reminder 0 and quotient 2.1325. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक आपको ये जो वीडियो है ये समझ में आ गया होगा। ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जो पिछली वीडियो में रह गए थे, वो मैंने इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करे हैं एक्सरसाइज 10D के। सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय वीडियो। थैंक यू।